What's going on, YouTube? Got a little update video for y'all. Got the 6.0 put in, transmission in, cut the cross member. It's test fit and everything. Running the truck intake, Trailblazer SS intake. I'm using adapter motor plates. We got the engine set all the way forward, I believe. Try to get it, that way I had enough clearance for the transmission. Running a T56 6-speed. Transmission sitting up in. Got a well mount on. Fab that up. Yeah, that's all I got left as far as getting the transmission to sit in on its own. Next on the list, install the clutch pedal assembly. Gotta pull the motor back out so I can install my flywheel and new clutch, slave cylinder and all that. But just wanted to give y'all a little video. I've been kind of holding out, so coming along all right. Be using electric power stand pump off a 2004 to 2007 Volvo S40, and the only accessory I'll be running out the engine will be the water pump and alternator, and that'll be it. Try to clean up the engine bay so I have enough room for the turbo setup, so least amount of stuff as possible. That's the plan. We use the truck manifolds, and I might do forward facing and probably mount the turbo like somewhere in this area. Not sure yet, haven't got around to that part. Want to order the new Harley Terminator X standalone ECU. That's on the list to get. Something I'm gonna try out. Try to simplify as far as everything what I need to do. Bench seat might have to come out and replace it with buckets just to have clearance for the shifter, because it's gonna kind of be like, I think shifter come back to about right here. So that's gonna have to either cut the seat or either swap out the seats. And drive shaft, we'll have to get a custom drive shaft made. But other than that, just wanted to give y'all a little video. See, I know I kind of been slacking, but between working and I've been sick lately, so just wanted to give y'all a little something. Probably do like another update maybe this weekend sometime. Alright, YouTube.